crayfish. Crayfish, you can call them. Yeah, man, a crayfish, man. They're still alive, too, you know. What you say, one? They want to turn up on your foot to bombard. Watch out. You want to bite, you want to bite me, you know. There one big bag full of crayfish, man. Don't know what I'm going to do with them later, but you know it is a big bag full of crayfish.
What's up, Team Curlew? We about to eat some curry crawfish. They fresh. Look at them. Woo! And guess what? They been in the refrigerator for like 9 hours while I was at work. Look at them. They fresh. Oh, gosh. And they still alive. Look at him. He's trying to get out.
This one want to bite me right here. Team Curlew, don't you see this one try to bite me right here?
They going crazy with that light. They trying to run, but there's nowhere they about to run. Look at them.
Yeah.
I put the rest of them in the freezer. Probably go ahead and garlic some up later. But Team Curlew, we about to eat some curry crawfish. Y'all see them? See the bubbles? They breathing. They getting them. Pick them up.
Yeah, it's a giant one. Me go frig up
You
this
better
one.
let him bite me.
Oh, if you bite your head so far, is that more like a country bunkin?
Alright. Team Curlew, look, they about to go in the pot. They going crazy. I gotta shake them down so they won't get out. But there they go. Look at them. They about to be good and curry. They dead now. Well, they about to be dead now. They still moving. Y'all see them? Oh, wow. They still kind of moving. When you make a plate, Team Curlew, when you make a plate for your husband, it should look like this. Team Curlew, look at it. Let's see how he do it. Babe, come look. All right, Team Curlew, let's see. Dig in. You see that?
Curry shrimp.
Taste some of the crawfish, babe. Let me see. Break one of the crayfish up.
God, don't feel that way if you eat them, because they shouldn't just live a while ago.
Open one of the tails. Let me see how juicy the meat is. Ha ha. I'm all in his face. I'm trying to get every detail. Look how he eating it. Is it seasoned good? Fresh. I did. Finger looking good.
Thumbs up, mama. That is it right there.